Some brothers were asking a question regarding the British and England flags being placed around inner city Birmingham, around the UK. I said and responded, big deal. We live in the UK, we live in England. It's our home country, and it's not a big deal for there to be English or British flags. So they said their motivation behind placing those flags was a right-wing motivation, meaning an agenda. I responded, as long as the law is not broken, you cannot make an actual issue of that. So if people decide to place the English flag and the British flag anywhere around England, well, the fact is we live in England and this is our country. Those of us who have been here for generations, who are born in this country, we are not going anywhere. This is our country. We are here to stay. We are settlers. And also I would like to point out that some people said, what about the crucifix on the English flag? And it's Crusader history. Well, I responded, if you place a white flag with just England written on that flag, there is no reason in Sharia Islamic law why that would be forbidden. So you are permitted to place a white flag with England written on it without the crucifix. And I will be seeing you later. And remember, Tommy Robinson, he prefers the Israeli flag. So Tommy shouldn't be placing the English flag because he stayed quiet when the Israelis were saying the UK can go to hell. Well, if any Israeli says that to me, I will be answering him firmly as to where he can go and where his so-called fake state can go. Assalamu alaikum.